this is Harry J from Mass Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Viber Messenger to your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, Mini or Max, whatever version of iPhone you have. Very simple tutorial for the beginner, this one. What you have to do, you have to put your face and unlock the phone in this case. After unlocking the phone, you have to find App Store. Very simple. Here we go. For downloading anything from App Store, you need an Apple ID. If you don't have Apple ID, please check my video how you can do that. Check the video description, please. Here, very easy. Hit the search button and type Viber. The first one is an app. Should not touch that one. The second one you see here, Viber Messenger chat and calling service. Hit the cloud button. Hit one more time. And it's downloading. Sometimes they may ask you your face recognition or your password of your email account or Apple account. You have to put that. Here you see open option I have. I'm not gonna open from here. I'm sliding down. And you see here Viber available. If you not see here, you can go to apps drawer. So I open here Viber. Now I'm gonna show you how you can make an account and use in some case also. Hit allow. Give them permission to your cam and mic because you're gonna use this one. Hit start button. You have to put your country name. Here appears Spain at the moment I am in. And you have to put your phone number. And normally in Apple phone, in iPhone, it should appear here. I hit this number, I want to use as a Viber. I hit continue button. They ask me to be sure this is my number or not. I hit yes. They will send me now some code. I'm waiting for that. You see some code appear for my Viber app, and here that should be appear at the middle. You need to touch only, it will auto detect. If it doesn't, then you have to go and copy the code and paste here. Hit OK, allow access, and I put Harry and J or Jeffrey. And birthday, email address, if you don't want to put, it's not necessary. Hit done button. I'm above 16 if you want. So hit next button, allow and continue all. So Viber is ready to use. Now here you have chat button, call button and more. Call button, you can call anybody from your contact. They should have Viber account. If they don't have Viber account, you can invite them. Also you can call their phone, but you have to pay some charges on this case. So this is very simple tutorial to show you guys how to download Viber, use it and make an account with them. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.